Well, good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Jenny's, the Crazee Country Couponer headquarters. Come on in. I want to brag a little bit and share with you my haul. And, well, I want to know what you got. And I'm going to, well, tell you about a few more things that you want to know about. So come on in and let's chat for a bit. And if you're not one of our crazy friends, well, you come on in too. Yeah, we'll fix that problem right now. Hit the subscription button below and the notification bell. That way you won't miss any deals, steals, glitches, free money, awesome information, and just hanging out with the best crazy friends ever. Alright, everybody, make sure you leave a comment and an emoji, because it took me a long time to pick a winner. You gotta comment on 2 videos in a row. And that's how I'm picking the winners. Alright? So you must comment on 2 videos in a row. Like and share. Please. And thank you. So let me tell you, did you get you some free bugles? Alright? These are still free. And even if they cost you a quarter for 2, they're still free. Alright? Now, next up, I want to show you my little find. I have 2 of these, but I got to take one of them back because the seam is broken. The vanilla cookies and chocolate frosting Dunkaroos, okay? You've got cash back for these, and the cash back is $1. I don't think these even cost me $1. We'll look on the receipt and see, because these are on the clearance. Now, I didn't do a whole lot of clearance because I don't need a whole lot of stuff. Not to mention I didn't have a whole lot of time. I worked late. By the time I got there, all the really good stuff was kind of gone. There is a few more items still, and I'll insert them in this video that I found. But let me tell you what happened. On my first transaction, it did not go well. It went wonky. My digital Arm & Hammer coupon did not come off. None of my Sparkle coupons came off. I was overcharged. Yeah, it was just bad. So that transaction did not work out very well, but I still went ahead and picked it up. I'm just going to return the Arm & Hammer because I don't need it. So I'll return that probably today. So, I did 4 transactions. One of them was just a little clearance transaction. Now, these Belvita cookies, they're on the clearance, and you got a $1 off coupon that just posted yesterday. So, if you didn't get you some, go get you some. This is a great way to feed the kids what they love the most out the door, cookies. We also have this Pineapple Paradise. These were $2.70, 50% off. Great snack, like I said, for the kids. And I went to an older operating system store, believe it or not, and that's where the only store that none of my deals went wonky. Everything worked out like clockwork. So my question again to DG, why did you change something that finally had started to work? You just changed it, and it just started working well, and you change it again, and now we have all these issues. I mean, issues that even say, well, we can't return it for you because your receipt is from an older operating system store. So you got to either keep it or travel all the way back to that older operating system store. Now, that's kind of crappy, because I can't believe that you can't make a notation somewhere or call corporate and get that took care of. Alright? I just had to get that out, guys. Sorry. But let's have a look at my transactions real quick before we hop into who's our winner. There's 4 things you don't see here because they're in my freezer. And that is Klondike bars, because they're on sale 2 for $8. And we've got 2 digital coupons, $4 off of 4. So, yeah, you don't see those. They're in my freezer. And that was an awesome deal. And that's the one I'm going to show with you first. I love getting deals on things that I use all the time. Okay, really, I do. It's okay to get these deals on, the other stuff. But I like it better when it's stuff that I know I'm going to use within, a short amount of time. So look at here. $18. Oh, let's get that focused for you. $18 for Klondike bars. And altogether $5.36. It says came off of that. For a store discount. Okay, you see the Klondike bars, they're $18. Now it gave me a store discount of $5.36 off of those. I'm assuming that's part of my 5 off. But I also have my digital coupons, as you can see. I got my Febreze for $3.50. Was that on clearance? Holy moly, looks like that might have been on store discount. Not really sure. We'll have to see. Because I should have had a $2.30 coupon for that. And it did not come off. So it's not attaching to that cent. That's the other thing. I could not get my app to scan anything yesterday. I've got my 2 Oral-B's, my Febreze Small Spaces, and more store discounts. And you see my digital coupon for that Febreze coming off. Okay, so I didn't have a coupon for the car one. And then, of course, my Bugles, my coupon come up on that, and my Scope came up off on that. Now, my out-of-pocket for this one was $10.70. Had my Febreze coupon come off, it would have been even better. I had a savings of $19.05, guys. Now, to me, that is a winner deal right here. Because $10.70 is what I pay for 2 Klondike bars normally. And yeah, so that's a winner deal. I hadn't been so tired, I'd have done it again. Next up, my out-of-pocket for my discounted items was $9.99. Yeah, $9.99. 75 cents, excuse me. Okay, now the Dunkaroos were $1.74. And they rung up, that was for both of them, so they were 87 cents. Okay, and I got $1 back earned, and I think I got it twice. So I made money on that. $2 on that. My Bugles on this one, made money on that. This has my stem on it, okay? The stem, I made $3 back on that, along with my coupon. The Caesars, I made $5 back on that, along with my coupon. And my Oral-B toothbrushes, of course, I made $1 on that. My total savings for this one was $22.25. My out-of-pocket was $5.89. Now, this was a phenomenal deal, guys. Pretty much what did I mean, $5, it's like purchasing 1 can of that spray at a discount and getting everything else for free. I mean, savings of $22.25. That is an awesome deal. And actually, it's free because, and a money maker, because I'll be getting $5 back plus 3. Now, this is the one with the paper towels. you can barely understand the receipt. Okay, you see where it says $5 for the Brawny, less promo, $2.50. So I don't think it says less the promo, and then it's got minus $1.70. So I don't know what that's supposed to be doing. And then we got the sparkle paper towels. They were supposed to be $5 a piece. They were $5.95. Okay. And the less promo on this, I'm not sure what that's supposed to mean. Because they were supposed to be $5, or the 4 for 8 rolls. And then, and neither one of my coupons came off. Then we had the Arm & Hammer for $4.25, and you see the promotion coming off of that one for 25 cents. Because as you can see on the sparkle, it says there's a promo, but nothing is coming off. So none of that makes any sense to me. And then my Dixie plates, they rang up for $7.65. And you see that the $1.50 coupon for those came off. And then a $5 discount for spending $20 on the Sparkle and Brawny. And my 5 off 25. So this receipt was out of whack. The whole transaction was out of whack. And you can't make heads or tails of the receipt to see what went on, really. So, yeah, this was frustrating. So my out-of-pocket was this, as far as I can tell, was probably $3 more than it should have been. But it was $15 and change is what this, $16.85 is what this ended up being. So altogether, well, in the scheme of things, it turned out okay. My total math here, I spent $43.19. I'm getting back $12.25. So my total out of pocket was $30 and some change. Like $30.50. So guys, guess what? Winner, chicken dinner. Everything here for $1 or less. Can't beat that. Even that Arm & Hammer that did not work. Everything here for $1 or less. So, lessons to me. Alright, now, let's go see who our winner is for our random surprise Dollar General gift card giveaway. Okay, guys, Pamela Bowers is our winner. Red Wasp 777. Alright, my email address right here, and look below in the description box. Send me your address, and I will send you your gift card. And when we do our next video, I'll let everybody know what denomination gift card we pulled for you. Alrighty, so guys, this is it for right now. I'm on my way out to work. We'll talk about our new deals in the next video. Blessings.